Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of February. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and your name sign. So let's see what's there for you, Aries, for the first 15 days of February. Okay, so we have the Five of Wands, the Six of Swords, and the Empress. Okay, the World, the Three of Cups, the Queen of Cups, sorry, the King of Cups, the King of Pentacles, the Moon card, the Seven of Cups, the Page of Wands, the Three of Wands, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, let's see what's there from this deck for Aries. Okay, so we have the Chariot or the Seven of Spades from this deck. Guidance from the angels. Ten of Abundance. So Aries, there has been some conflict or confusion in your life and you are moving away from it towards a new beginning. So definitely, basically it is that you are turning your back towards a situation which is causing conflict in your mind or in your life, or there is a conflicting situation, or there is an argument, fight, whatever it is, you are turning your back towards it and you are moving towards peace. So you are leaving behind this conflict for a new beginning. Okay, so maybe you are actually leaving your place or just a situation, but definitely you are choosing to walk away from something or someone which is causing conflict and fight or confusion in your life, and you are ready to totally cut off the ties with that situation for a new beginning with the Empress and the World card. Okay, so with the Empress and the World card, it is a major new beginning, ending of the old chapter. It is like endings and the new beginnings. Okay, so you are completing the cycle, whatever it was which you were dealing with, which was causing conflict, unrestfulness, confusion, and disturbance in your life, and you are moving in towards a brand new beginning which is going to give you a launching pad for abundance, for prosperity, for happiness. So it is basically like new you, new life. Okay, and here we have the Three of Cups and the King of Cups. So what I feel here is this is like you are celebrating this new happiness or the newfound life for yourself. Okay, so this is a new life which you are manifesting for yourself, which you are moving towards. And with the Three of Cups, this is you are celebrating that happiness with your family and with your friends. Okay, so basically this is all about happiness and rejoicing. And then we have the King of Cups and the King of Pentacles together. So this is either you are now in control of your life, both emotionally as well as financially. You have earned that abundance, you have done that work, you have really worked hard perhaps for this new beginning, and which is giving you a reason to celebrate also. You are in full control of your life, Aries. Okay, and then we have the Moon, the Seven of Cups. So what I feel here is this is a situation in which either you have multiple options or you are confused as to which way to go, what to decide, being the Moon card is also there. So with the Moon card, there is a situation in your life now which is coming up, which is in which you don't have the clarity as to what should be the right decision or which way to go or what to choose. Okay, so just be in touch with your intuition, just do what your instincts and what your intuition tells you. But definitely there is a confusion regarding this. Now this confusion can be because of n number of options or n number of pros and cons you are thinking about in this situation. Okay, but what I feel here is with the Page of Wands, you are ready to embark on this new journey. You are ready to move ahead in the right direction. Okay, so what I feel here is if you follow your instincts, if you follow your instincts over here, you will be able to make the right choice because you are in full control of the situation. Okay, yes, you have gained the control of your life. You are in the position of choosing. That is also a choice. This is also something which is not given to you. Everybody doesn't have so many options. Everybody doesn't know, is not offered so many options. Okay, they are not in a position to choose. Okay, it's like as the saying goes, beggars cannot be choosers. Okay, so it's being in a position to choose is also I should say a merit in itself. So that is what you have earned now with the King of Cups and the King of Pentacles being there. This is what you have earned for yourself after leaving this conflicting situation, and you got a beautiful new beginning in your life now, and you are choosing the right path because with the Page of Wands you are definitely it is a small step forward towards this new beginning, whatever this new beginning is in your life now, because you are ready to embark on a new journey with the Three of Wands. And this is what it is giving you with the Ace of Cups. So this new beginning which you are making a choice over here, even if things were not clear, even if you really didn't know which way to go, which path to follow, it is a right movement in the right direction. You are ready to embark on a new journey of life, and it is going to give you a lot of emotional satisfaction. Your emotions are totally content. You are totally happy about what you have gained or what you have earned over here, whatever this new journey is. Okay, so this is the Three of Cups is you're happy for the new beginning, gaining full control, and now you are moving ahead for the new life, taking steps for emotional fulfillment in this new life. And here, just see the way things start rolling with the Chariot card being here from this deck. So this is something which is going to push you forward towards emotional contentment and gratification. It's something really beautiful which is lying ahead, Aries. Guidance from the angels, 10 of abundance. Heaven has provided so many blessings. Your family members are bounded and working together. The children are provided for, and the comfortable retirement will come one day. You have taught your family the grace that comes from knowing right from the wrong, and you should be very proud. So this is the guidance from the angels. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.